Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the opportunity for me to have a presentation today. But before I start with my presentation, please let me introduce myself first. My name is Miss Geraldine Reyni, majoring in International Relations batch 2023, and I am a finalist of Mr. and Miss President University 2024. So in this opportunity, I will present a topic about social justice and human rights, addressing inequality and discrimination in Indonesia. So in this video presentation, I will start by explaining about the definition, level of analysis, impact on society, and at the end of this video, there is a conclusion about my topic. So let's know about the definition of social justice, human rights, inequality, and discrimination because it is important for you to know the definition first. Starting with social justice. Social justice is where every individual has equal opportunity to achieve well-being and happiness. Next is human rights. What is human rights? Human rights is fundamental right that applies to every human being since birth. Now, inequality. Just like the word, inequality is an imbalance between groups in having the opportunity to access resources and also rights. Next is discrimination. Discrimination is where there is unfair treatment caused of diverse and differences, and that can cause based on several factors. What factors that I am talking about in this presentation? So, factors like diversity in race, ethnicity, religion, gender, sexual orientation, or also social status. Keep in mind, inequality and discrimination not just affecting individuals, but it also affects in social way. Okay, so individually, it leads to poverty, difficulty in accessing education, job, and also it's difficult to access health. Socially, discrimination and inequality affect to social cohesion, political, and also economic stability. In this case, the state must be able to deal with these kind of problems. Why? Because of the impacts of it. Okay, now we are getting into the impact. The root causes of inequality and discrimination extend to various sectors, from the economy, education, health, and politics. It leads to politics too. Seeing the problems that are happening can actually be handled in several ways, namely by implementing affirmative policies and programs to overcome discrimination and inequality, and then increase the access to education, health, and other public services to every human being, and then we can build the culture of tolerance and mutual respect between communities groups. The state must enforce the law and keep justice consistency because those things are important in handling this kind of issues, right? Now we know about the idea of this presentation. So in conclusion, by addressing discrimination and inequality, we together we can build an equality, prosperous, and sustainable Indonesia. Just like a quote by Angelina Jolie, she said that if there is a fight in this life, it must be for freedoms and rights. And if we have our freedom, we must fight for others who don't. So we are now at the end of my presentation and at the end of this video. I hope my presentation through this video can be useful for you, for all of the viewers, can open your insight and knowledge about the topic that I just brought up, namely social justice and human rights addressing inequality and discrimination in Indonesia. So, thank you very much. I hope the message from this video can be conveyed very well to all of the viewers, and I apologize if there are any wrong words. May you have a great day and a great time. Thank you. I'm Miss Geraldine and I'm ending this video.